Class 7. We are going to start our lesson number 2 today. It's from the book Kidnapped. Kidnapped is the name of the book from which the story is taken, and the name of story is The Tower. So first is given the introduction of the story and the book. You may have read Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. Kidnapped is another of his exciting books. You can read them both in simple English language. Kidnapped takes place in Scotland in the middle of 18th century when David Balfour was 17. Both his parents were dead. He was given a letter to take to his uncle Ebenezer, who lived in Edinburgh at a house of Shaw's. After walking for 2 days, David arrived at his uncle's house. His uncle didn't seem very pleased to see him. So, when the boy reached to his uncle, what happened to him then? We will see that now in the story. Uncle Ebenezer took David upstairs to a bedroom for the night. The bed was so damp that David slept on the floor. It means that the room was not in a good condition. Even the boy had to sleep on the floor. He woke early the next morning. The bedroom was very dirty and the windows were broken. Uncle Ebenezer had locked the door. David knocked and shouted until his uncle came to let him out. So this is the condition of the room and how uncle behaved that boy on very first day of his meeting. He just locked him in the room. Uncle Ebenezer took him to the back of the house. He pointed to a well. You can wash here, he said. So we can see that it's the story is from the 18th century, so we can here see the introduction of well. There are no taps like today, no bathrooms like today. After breakfast, Uncle Ebenezer said to David, I shall do my best to help you, but you must not leave the house of Shaw's or write letter to your friends. So he is just ordering him that not to write, not to take any contact with any of his friends. David was very angry when he heard this. I would rather go away, he cried. So on hearing this, he said that I will go away. No, no, said his uncle, stay here for a day or two. Very well then, replied David, I will stay. So he went to his bedroom and tried to clear it out. He swept the floor, hung the bedclothes as they were damp out of the window in the sunshine to make them dry. Uncle Ebenezer spoke very little to David for the rest of the day, but he watched him all the time. He just looked on on the activities of the boy, that what he was doing. They had porridge for breakfast, porridge for dinner, porridge for supper. David's uncle was a miser. He was not a good person. He was not spending money even on his own self. He hated spending money. He ate nothing but porridge and drank nothing but juice. At supper time, Uncle Ebenezer said to David, will you go to the tower at the end of the house for me? Here is the key. Go up the stairs and bring down the chest that is at the top. So he was ordering the boy to go a tower nearby, and even there was no light in that tower. He ordered him to go, take a key, and just go upstairs. Can I have a light? Asked David. No, said his uncle. Keep close to the wall, you will be quite safe. So he just advised him, just when you are climbing the stairs, just keep close to the wall. With the help of the wall, you can be safe. You can find out your way. David took the key and went outside. A storm was coming and it was very dark. As David opened the door of the tower, a flash of lightning lit up everything. So there was a lightning from the sky and he could see everything in the tower. After the flash, it was so dark inside the tower that David had to feel his way to the stairs. He climbed them slowly with one hand on the wall. So with the help of the wall, he was just climbing the stairs. There was no light. There was much darkness there. He climbed higher and higher, and still he didn't come to the top. It was not quite so dark and now, and David wondered why. Suddenly, a great flash of lightning lit up the whole tower. David saw that there were no more stairs in front of him. If he had taken another step, he would have fallen to the ground and been killed. The staircase had never been finished. So, when there was a lightning from the sky, he could see that there was no more steps, and there was even no end of the steps. If he just moved towards one another step, he would fall from the stairs. So it seems that it was the plan of his uncle to just kill that boy, a very scary plan. And if there was no lightning, definitely the boy had fallen from that tower and had died. David stood quite still. He was frightened, he was surprised, trembling all over. He was trembling out of fear. It was dark again now, and bats were flying around his head. He knew that uncle had tried to kill him. He was much surprised on his plan. And what happened then, and what the boy did, then we have to read the book. That's name is given here, Kidnapped. If you are interested to read the whole story, you have to move towards the book. So here the end is not given to you, but it's very interesting and scary story. I hope you will just consult the book and complete the story.